Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic engine. First, prioritize safety and preparation. Always park your Civic on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Gather all necessary tools, such as an engine hoist, sturdy jack stands, and a reliable torque wrench. Before any major disassembly, drain all engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid into appropriate containers. Next, we begin disconnecting the engine's various components. Start by removing the hood to provide ample working space. Systematically label and disconnect all electrical connectors, sensors, and wiring harnesses. This step is crucial for smooth reassembly. Relieve the fuel system pressure, then carefully disconnect and cap the fuel lines. Finally, detach accessories such as the alternator, starter motor, and the air conditioning compressor, securing them aside if possible. Now, we move to the core of the removal process. Begin by removing the air intake system and the exhaust manifold, along with the catalytic converter. Proceed to disconnect the entire cooling system, including the radiator, cooling fan, and all associated hoses. Crucially, support the transmission with a jack or stand before unbolting it from the engine block. After removing the engine mounts, carefully use an engine hoist to lift the engine clear of the vehicle. With the old engine out, it's time for installation. Prepare your replacement engine by transferring any necessary components from the old unit. Carefully lower the new engine into the bay using the hoist, aligning it precisely with the transmission and engine mounts. Reconnect all electrical, fuel, and cooling systems, ensuring every connection is secure. Finally, refill all fluids, including approximately 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic engine oil, and perform a thorough test and break-in procedure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.